When we observe the moon night after night, something interesting happens. The same features always face Earth, the familiar dark Maria and the bright highlands. No matter when we look, the moon never turns to show us its other side. This is not a coincidence. The moon is in a state called tidal locking, where its rotation period matches the time it takes to orbit the Earth. A common misconception is that the moon does not rotate. In fact, it does rotate, but very slowly. The moon takes about 27.3 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Interestingly, that's exactly the same amount of time it takes the moon to orbit once around Earth. Because these two motions occur at the same rate, the same side of the moon always faces our planet. A simple way to visualize this is with an everyday example. Imagine walking in a circle around a table while always facing the center. As you walk around the table, you must slowly rotate your body so that your face continues to point towards the middle. To someone standing at the center, it appears though that you never turn, even though you are actually rotating the entire time. Tidal locking occurs because of gravitational tidal forces. Earth pulls slightly more strongly on the side of the moon that faces us than on the far side. This difference as gravitational force stretches the moon slightly and creates tidal bulges. Over millions of years, these forces act like a brake, gradually slowing the moon's rotation until it matched its orbit. Because the moon is tidally locked, humans never saw its far side until spacecraft were sent into space. In 1959, the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 captured the first photographs of the hidden hemisphere of the moon. Scientists discovered that the far side looks very different, with far fewer dark Maria and many more impact craters. Tidal locking is not unique to the Earth-Moon system. In fact, it is very common throughout the solar system. Jupiter's four large moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are all tidally locked to Jupiter. Just like our moon always shows the same face to Earth, these moons always keep the same side pointed towards the giant planet as they orbit it. So the reason we always see the same face of the moon is tidal locking. The moon rotates once on its axis, exactly the same time it takes to orbit Earth. Over billions of years, Earth's gravitation slowed the moon's rotation until the two are matched. The result is a stable configuration where one side of the moon always faces our planet. Thank you for watching.